In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature in Zendesk. Whether you're updating contact information, adding a new link, or simply want to give your email responses a fresh look, adjusting your signature is a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, you need to head over to your Zendesk support page where all the magic happens. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon waiting for you. Go ahead and give that a click. This action is your entry point to making changes on your account. Upon clicking your profile icon, you'll see a list of options appear. For today's task, you'll want to select either View Profile or My Profile. Both options will lead you to the same destination, your personal profile page, where you can manage your details and account settings. It's here that you can personalize your presence on the platform by updating your signature. Now that you're on your profile page, keep an eye out for the signature field. This is your canvas, and currently it's probably displaying your existing signature. If this is your first time here, you might find a blank space just waiting for your creative touch. Think about what you want your signature to convey. Is it your name and job title? Perhaps your contact information, or even a link to your company's website? Whichever it is, this is the place where it can take shape. Once you have your desired signature content in mind, go ahead and enter it into the signature field. If you're tech-savvy and want to spice things up a bit, this platform even allows you to incorporate markdown links and images using markdown syntax. This means you could hyperlink text or add a small logo to give your signature a professional edge. While most changes in Zendesk are auto-saved, it's a good practice to keep an eye out for a save button. If you spot it after editing your signature, be sure to give it a click. This ensures that your new signature won't just vanish into the digital ether, but will instead be precisely how you want it for your public interactions. Now, with your signature updated and saved, you can expect to see it appear seamlessly in all the public ticket replies you send out. Having a polished signature is a small detail that can make a significant impact, reinforcing your professionalism and attention to detail with every message you send. And there you have it, a polished, updated signature in Zendesk, ready to go. Thanks for watching, and happy ticketing!